This is a very nice factorial problem. So 2x plus 4 factorial is equal to 720. Then find the value of x. So 2x plus 4 factorial is equal to 720, right? As we know that if n factorial is written, then it can be written as n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial, or it can be written as n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 factorial, right? And it can also be rewritten as n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 3 factorial, right? So here 1 factorial can be written as 1, 2 factorial can be written as 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2, right? So 3 factorial can be written as 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6, and 4 factorial can be written as 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 24, right? And 5 factorial can be written as 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 120. And 6 factorial can be written as 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 720, right? So we can write 720 as 6 factorial. So here it will be 2x plus 4 factorial is equal to 6 factorial, because we can write 720 in the form of factorial, that will be the 6 factorial, right? On comparing both sides, so we get 2x plus 4 is equal to 6, right? If we subtract for both sides, then it will be 2x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 6, oh sorry, 4, right? So here it will be cancel out, so 2x is equal to 2. If we divide both sides by 2, then it will be 2x over 2 is equal to 2 over 2. It will cancel out and it will also cancel out. So x is equal to 1. So the value of x is 1.